Hi everybody, I am so excited. Our local farm market reopened for the season, which means that spring is right around the corner. So I'm going to show you my haul that I got, and we are going to make breakfast with what we bought today. So one of the things involved is going to be this yellow squash. So come on, let me show you what we're going to do. Here's what we got at the farm. I got some onions, a yellow squash, some scallions, some shallots, asparagus. They had farm fresh eggs on sale. We got some potatoes, cucumbers, a little eggplant, some vine ripened tomatoes. Now I know tomatoes aren't really at their peak season, but these will do in a pinch. I thought they looked nice. And some lettuce. So here's what we've decided to use. We're going to use some of the farm fresh eggs. We're going to use a scallion, a tomato, the yellow squash, and a couple of asparagus. We're going to just make a breakfast scramble full of nice vegetables. I'm starting with the asparagus because I think they're going to take the longest. Just rolling them around a little bit of olive oil. When I was in Paris years ago with my girlfriends, one of the girls used to get up and go to the market every morning and buy just what she needed to make breakfast, and she would come home and make a vegetable egg scramble like this, and we would wake up and it would be all fresh and lovely with a baguette. It's so simple and so good. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next week. Bye.